Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and today we are talking budget watches, $50 or less. How many and which ones? Let's find out. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, let's talk watches. Okay, before we go further, I wanted to take just a moment and thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you guys that have subscribed. If you've not, please consider doing so. It really does help. Okay, we are just about ready to go, but before we do, let's do a really quick wrist check. You are looking at the Carnival C8894G. Now, this is a Miyota movement, the 8205, which does hack. The dial is blue-green and looks like it's separated into 4 different quarters, which does add some depth to the dial. I really like this watch. It's a great looking timepiece. Okay, we are ready to do it. And remember, none of these watches are over $50. Up first is the Rollstimi RT7904 with its stainless steel case. It's powered by the VH31 quartz movement, and it's got a retro classical look. I own this watch, and I can tell you it wears nicely on the wrist. This is a great choice if you need to add one to your collection. The VH31 just sweeps around the dial. It really is an incredible watch for the money. It's available in black, blue, and white. And the best part, this dress watch is less than $27. Rollstimi has a good 2024, and they look to continue that success in 25. Up next is a watch priced at less than $50, and it is loaded. It's a military-inspired watch by Corgeut with an automatic movement, the NH35. You get sapphire crystal, and the case is made of 316L stainless steel. It has a 42 millimeter in diameter case, and it's got an incredible high-quality leather strap. I really don't know how they can put a watch out with these specs for less than $50. This is pretty incredible. And the third watch of the day is a sports chronograph from Specht and Sohne, the SP0006. This is a 40 millimeter stainless steel case with a nice rubber strap, and as you can see, it's available in several color variants. This is a nice watch, and I just love that dial design. It's well balanced and easily legible. This is a quartz-driven watch. It has a small seconds hand at the 6 o'clock, and it's just over $40. Now that's a steal. And what do you guys think of this Pagani design? This is the PD1780, which is an original design by Pagani. This chronograph starts right at $50 and goes up to about $62. It checks all the boxes. It's stainless steel, has a nice synthetic sapphire crystal, and the size is great for most people. It's a 40 millimeter case diameter. Have a closer look at this dial. This is an original design, and these guys are capable of that. I hope they continue to bring more. Up next is the AD2036 from Addiesdive. The finish and workmanship has improved drastically over the past year or two, and it's evident in this watch. I really do like what they've done here. The case diameter is 39 millimeters with a lug-to-lug of 48.5. It comes with a screw-down case back and crown. The movement within this diver is a Ronda 515, so it's going to be consistent. It's clearly a good-looking timepiece. And you can pick up this watch for $45. The link is in the description if you want to dig just a little deeper. And you are looking at the Benyar 5179M, and this is a sharp-looking watch. It's 40 millimeters in diameter with an automatic movement, the G3265. This is a watch that's very inexpensive, but the cost versus quality ratio is strong. You get 316L stainless steel, a 42 millimeter case diameter, and 22 millimeter lugs. You also get mineral crystal, not sapphire, but it's hard to complain with a watch that costs less than $30. You are now looking at the Berny T2567 VM day date. This is a sharp-looking tank homage with an awesome leather strap. It's available in both a white dial and a black dial, or a silver case or golden case. This watch definitely looks more expensive than the asking price, and if you like square watches, this might be your guy. It's currently on sale for less than $45. We are now going to follow up this Berny with this Berny. This is the titanium watch, the T2567MS. It comes with a Seiko quartz movement, a 38 millimeter case diameter, and only 8 millimeters thick. You also get an AR-coated sapphire crystal with 100 meters of water resistance. It has a day-date complication at the 3, and the watch is extremely legible. Take a look at this dial. It's well balanced, open, and the hour markers are applied evenly. This watch only weighs 76 grams before your bracelet adjustment. It's available in both blue and black variants. And up next, some people think this watch is the best of the bunch today, and I still can't believe it's only $30. This is the Duka 110 Diver. Just take a look at this watch. It's available in several color variants, so you can find the one that you like the most. You get stainless steel everywhere, AR-coated sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, and power in this diver is the Miyota 821A automatic movement. The last watch of the day is the Guanqin Moonphase model GJ16011. This is a sharp-looking watch that has a perpetual calendar with exceedingly nice craftsmanship. Here you can see a moon phase with the sun, moon, and stars. The chronograph is 39 millimeters in diameter with a lug width of 20 millimeters. This watch is only 12 millimeters thick. You also get an automatic movement, stainless steel everywhere, AR-coated sapphire crystal as well. There is also an exhibition window on the back of the case, and this beauty is only $43. How's that for a classy watch at an amazing price? We talked about a lot of watches today. I hope you enjoyed that. If there's any of these that you would like to know more, we did put affiliate links in the description. Go there, check them out, investigate it, and see if any of these are right for you. If it is, just remember, My Dude Watch does get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It'll only take you a second, but it really does help. All right, I've been told to wrap it up, so we're going to close the show. But thanks again for watching. We appreciate that. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch, and we'll see you next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.